Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Me Debbie here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to be making a little brown stew snapper. I have 3 nice snapper here cleaned already, and I have the slices in each side of them. So we are going to season this up really well. And to season these up, here I have black pepper. Make sure you get some seasoning on the inside of the fish as well. So instead of using salt and garlic powder, I'm using my garlic salt. So that tells you if you don't have garlic salt, you can go ahead with your garlic powder and some salt. I have Lowry seasoned salt. Onion powder. Creole seasoning. And over here I have some coriander seeds that I just ground up. And I have to go get my Old Bay seasoning. I forgot that. So, so I got my Old Bay seasoning and added that too. So now my chicken, my snapper, my fish is all seasoned and ready to go. Now I'm gonna get the oil, start heating the oil here. I have some oil that I saved from yesterday fried dumplings. Stop wasting my stuff and throwing it away when I can reuse it. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna get the oil, get the oil hot and ready to fry these fish. In the meantime, over here, I'm going to get ready to make some rice and pigeon peas, which is this right here in the can. I'm going to open this and I'll come back. So the pigeon peas in the can, it says it has coconut milk in there, but for me, that's never enough. So I'm going to empty the whole can in there. I have some homemade coconut milk here. Just a little bit over a cup. I'm going to add in there. And a pinch of water. Get that ready to boil, and then I'm going to season it up. In the meantime, I think my oil is ready for my fish. You know, when you fry fish, you got to make sure the oil is hot or your fish stick to the pot. And then you have problems. So I'm gonna fry these fish and I will come back to you when I'm done frying these, okay? Alright guys, back to my rice and pigeon peas. I'm going to season this up now. Here I have a little bit of thyme. I have a nice thick green onion that I cut in pieces. I'm going to use the garlic salt again instead of salt and garlic powder. A little bit of seasoning salt. And onion powder. I also have a Scotch bonnet here. Let's stir this up. I'm going to add a little piece of butter in here. That's my yellow Scotch butter. Guys, I'm going to give this about 5 minutes or so to incorporate everything together. I have 2 cups of basmati rice that I washed that I'm going to add to it, okay? Okay, so I have 1 fish done here. And then I have another the other 2 that's frying up. And over here I have a big mess that you can't see well, but I have 2 carrots that I peel and cut up around this size. Actually, I got one more to do. I have a large tomato that I chopped in small pieces. I have half a large onion. I have a piece of bell, red and green bell pepper. And those are going to go in the stew. I'll see you back when the fish is done frying and I'm ready to start on the stew, okay? Okay guys, so my fish is almost done. So what I'm going to use to make the sauce for the fish, I have in here a little, I want to look about a cup of water. I'm going to add ketchup to this water. Add about a half a cup of ketchup in the water. A can of low sodium soy sauce. Oh, what's that good, isn't it? Some brown sugar. And and my ground ginger. Just a tad. The ginger is very strong. Also. Okay, so let's get the fish out of the pot. I'm not going to use all this oil since I can pull the hot oil away. I'm just going to pour it in this pot to cool off and then I can get rid of it. Add some bell peppers. the tomatoes. I'm also gonna add a half of a Scotch bonnet with the seeds. I have green onions. I'm gonna saute this a little bit. Let me start seasoning this up before I add the carrots in. This is Creole seasoning. And garlic powder. I'm sorry, onion powder. And smoked paprika. This is just not my day. But that's okay, I just keep going. Alright, I'm gonna add my slice of carrots in here. I'm going to cook this about 2 to 3 minutes to soften the carrots a bit, and I'll see you back here then. Okay guys, so 3 minutes. I'm going to add the sauce in here. And then I'm going to add the fish back in here. Oops. I'm going to turn this down, guys, and I'm going to slow cook this about 8 minutes. And I will flip it halfway through, flip the fish halfway through, and I'll see you back when it's all done. But before I go, here's my rice and peas. I need a fork, but I have a spoon right here. You can see the texture. And that coconut milk I added, that was extra. That was my homemade coconut milk. Smells so good. So see you guys back soon. Okay guys, so I'm back and our fish is done. Look at all this goodness. Ooh. Like my husband would say, you don't need no meat with this, you just need this gravy to top up the rice. Anyway, this is done, so I'm gonna add juice of half a lemon on here. You can do more if you desire. Me, not a fan of it. Okay. And I have started frying some plantains. And again, my rice and pigeon peas. Use a fork and fluff this up for you. Absolutely perfect. So guys, back to my fish. Doesn't it look absolutely lovely and divine and delectable? and some words that I can't think of right now. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. I appreciate your support. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and help me to grow this channel. From my family to yours, my kitchen to yours, God bless you. And you stay strong out there. Don't give up, okay? No matter what's going on, keep holding on. Love you. Bye.